Hi there, I'm Raluca Maria from Happy Brows in Dublin. I made this video so I can help you to find out how this 5-day intensive accredited powder brows training can open doors to a rewarding and profitable profession. Imagine earning a great income while doing something that you love. As a permanent makeup artist, you can make a significant impact on people's lives and boost their confidence. Our course runs for 5 days, Monday to Friday, from 9:30 to 4:30. You'll also have 3 days of theory study at home before your course begins. We cover everything you need to know about powder brows, from the basics to advanced techniques. You'll receive a comprehensive kit that includes a permanent makeup device, 20 needles, and various accessories. This kit is designed to get you started on your professional journey right away. I emphasize hands-on practice. You start on paper, then move to synthetic skin, and even practice on bananas and melons. Finally, you'll apply your skills on live models, ensuring you're fully prepared for real clients. During the course, we'll cover essential topics such as skin anatomy and healing processes, color theory and pigment selection, eyebrow shaping and design, health and safety protocols, client consultation and aftercare. Our goal is to provide you with a solid foundation and the confidence to perform powder brow treatments independently. Now, let's talk about the financial benefits. Permanent makeup is a lucrative field. With an average price of €200 per treatment, you can achieve substantial earnings. Let's do a quick calculation. If you perform just 2 treatments per day, 5 days a week, that's 10 treatments a week, 40 treatments a month, that's €8,000 a month. Over a year, you could potentially earn €96,000. And remember, this is just an average. Many artists charge more and work with a higher volume of clients. Don't just take my word for it. Check it out our Google reviews to see what our previous trainees have to say. You'll find numerous success stories and positive experiences shared by our graduates who are now thriving in the industry. Reading the reviews will give you a better idea of how our course has transformed their careers and lives. We're proud of our community and the success they've achieved with Happy Brows. If you're ready to take the next step and become a certified powder brows artist, I invite you to schedule a one-on-one meeting with me. I understand that the price of the course is a significant consideration, especially if it feels more like an expense than an investment. Let's discuss how this course can truly be a valuable investment in your future. During our meeting, we can go over any questions you might have, discuss the financial benefits in more detail, and explore payment options that work for you. My goal is to help you feel confident and excited about joining the Happy Brows family. For more information and to schedule your one-on-one meeting, you can write on WhatsApp at 085-252-8694. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Remember, spots are limited, so act fast. I'm Raluca Maria, and I'm excited to help you embark on this amazing journey into the world of permanent makeup. Follow Happy Brows for beauty that wows.